jumping every day. D is for duck who quacks so loud, flapping wings and feeling proud. D is for drum, let's make some sound. Boom, 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 let's dance around. D is for donuts, soft and sweet, are yummy round and taste the treat. D is for dance, so let's all move, spin around and find your groove. D's daring, dazzling and delightful, see, learning with D is fun and free. So when you see me, wave and cheer, because letter D is